Hello. So, Waitress the musical was on Broadway for quite a few years. It's a super meaningful show about a waitress named Jenna who gets pregnant. She's in a very, very toxic marriage. It's a very meaningful show. It's the music and the lyrics are also beautiful. It's so well done. I never got to see it. I've heard the soundtrack so many times. My mom is obsessed with it. She loves Sarah Bareilles. Anyways, I'm a little disappointed that the show is over. The likelihood of me seeing it was pretty slim, but it's a beautiful show. Anyway, I'm gonna be singing What Baking Can Do from Waitress. So here's that. Make it work, make it easy, make it clever and craft it into pieces. Make it sweet, curtain the edges, or make it sour and serve with lemon wedges. Even doubt can be delicious, and it washes off of all the dirty dishes. When it's done, I can smile. It's on someone else's plate for a while. I'll place it on display, and then I'll slice and serve my worries away. I can fix this, I can twist it into sugar, butter, covered pieces. Never mind what's underneath it. I have done it before. I'll bake me a door to help me get through. I learned it from you, Mama. It's amazing what bacon can do. Pick it up and surprise them. Tell them all my secrets, but disguise them so they can dance on the tongues of the very people that their secrets from. Make it soon, make it better. Oh, better never last forever. I'll make it small so it fits. Even this, even now, even as the walls come tumbling down, even as I can't stop remembering how every door we ever made, we never once walked out. Something I never got the chance to ask her about. So with